Another addition to Pakistan's airborne inventory, the first SAAB 2000 was formally inducted into Pakistan Airforce fleet at PAF base Minhas in Kamra. SAAB 2000 is a highly sophisticated aircraft based on Swedish defense technology. It is equipped with airborne early warning and control system, which is distinguished by a massive radar coverage known as footprint. The radar has capability of checking air violations by enemy aircraft and missiles and tracking the enemy's radars, missile sites and ships beside controlling the combat mission. The surveillance system will provide Pakistan Air Force with a great operational flexibility, aiming at superior situational awareness, such as detecting an aircraft well before it enters Pakistani airspace. It can be used for defensive and offensive air operations.
Introduction of this system in PAF would enhance the air defense capability and advance the radar frontiers of Pakistan much beyond its borders. This will enable us to detect and respond to any threat developing around us before it actually enters our airspace.
The contract for SAAB 2000 was signed between Pakistan and Swedish company SAAB AB in October 2005, and Pakistan received its first aircraft after a span of just 3.5 years.
SAAB surveillance system is so much more than just an aircraft. It is an advanced system for air surveillance, which will provide situation awareness and thereby contribute to peace and security of Pakistan.
Induction of this system is part of the overall PAF strategy of transforming itself into a lean and technologically advanced air forces.
Military products can also form part of a national strategy to counter new security threats, also of a global nature, which unfortunately Pakistan is currently facing.
With the addition of the SAAB 2000, Pakistan Air Force becomes one of the few air forces in the world to have an airborne early warning and control capability. The induction of SAAB 2000 high-tech surveillance aircraft, which has the capability of detecting low-flying objects at sea and land, will make country's defense more stronger in the days to come. Mateen, Haider, Dawn News, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, Kamra.